Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we will be showing you how to change your name or username on Qwenlm.ai. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First of all, let's go to the website of Qwenlm.ai. Make sure that you have already logged into your account, and if not, simply log into your account. Once you are there, look for the profile icon which is in top right corner. Tap on it. Now you will see an option for settings. Tap on it. This will take you to the settings section, and under settings section, you can view a lot of options over there. Now what we need to change the name or username is account. Tap on it. This will open your account information, and over here you can see your name just below your profile picture. To change your name or username, simply click on it, remove your old name and type in your desired name or username. I love this username, but keep in mind that your username might be unique and cannot contain any inappropriate content. Once you have entered your new name or username, click on the save button. For that, scroll down and over here you can see your save button. Tap on it and it has saved it successfully, and that's it. Remember, you can always change your name or username again in the future by following these steps. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to change your name or username in Qwenlm.ai. See you in the next video.